I didn't expect an ice roller to become one of my favorite steps in my summer morning routine, but this completely changed my mind. This is my current summer morning beauty routine, featuring a few products from the Skinny Confidential. I start with the ice roller, which I keep in the fridge so it feels cold, refreshing, and comfortable to use in the morning. For these extra cold summer vibes, I placed it on a bed of ice while getting everything ready. If you store yours in the freezer, the brand recommends allowing it to warm slightly and testing it on your wrist or arm before using it on your face. I always make sure the roller is completely dry, with no water or ice left on the metal, and then I test the temperature on my arm. I was honestly a little skeptical about ice rolling at first, but I ended up enjoying it much more than I expected. I roll upward and outward across my face, and downward along the sides of my neck. It feels incredibly cooling and refreshing, which is perfect during the warmer months. I especially love using it in the morning for depuffing. Immediately afterward, my skin looks slightly plumper and feels incredibly soft, while my pores appear a little less noticeable. The results are temporary, of course, but it is such a relaxing way to start the day. Sometimes I pair it with eye patches while I drink my iced coffee, and it makes the entire routine feels a little more luxurious. Next, I apply the Skinny Confidential Brow Peptide and brush it through my brows, moving the hairs upward and outward. I love how quick and effortless this step is, especially when I'm doing a minimal makeup look. Before applying the Skinny Confidential SPF, I apply the U-Beauty Barrier Bioactive Mist. I've noticed that the caffeinated sunscreen works best for me over very lightweight skincare. Heavier layers underneath can sometimes cause peeling, so during summer I usually apply just a mist before going directly with the SPF. This is the Skinny Confidential Caffeinated Sunscreen SPF 40. It is a tinted mineral sunscreen with a beautiful finish that makes my skin look more even and polished. Before I apply any makeup, it feels very comfortable on my skin, and because it is mineral, it has become one of my favorite options during summer. The tint works best, in my opinion, for light to light medium skin tones. It may be too dark for very fair complexions, and on me it looks slightly darker during winter. In summer, however, the shade works beautifully for me, and I usually only need a little concealer afterward. Then I finish the look with the Dior Concealer, Pixie Bronzer, SACHEU Blush, and a little powder through the center of my face. Then I curl my lashes, apply mascara, and finish with lip liner and lip oil. The final result is fresh, comfortable, and perfect for an easy summer morning. And I have to admit, the ice roller was the product I expected to enjoy the least, but it might actually be my favorite part of this entire routine. And this has been my summer morning beauty routine lately. Thank you so much for watching, guys! And don't forget to subscribe to Cristina Costache Beauty for more beauty content. Bye bye!